Yeah, guys, so I'm filming this amazing Marantz series. I want to talk about um, this SUPERSCOPE. The SUPERSCOPE, guys, it's another um, made by Marantz. It's a very nice piece, and the sound quality, guys, is amazing. So you can see um, it's a bit expensive, guys, this Marantz SUPERSCOPE. Saw one in eBay still, and somebody's selling it for $500. Um, Luckily, I got this for a good price. It's expensive. If you're lucky, then you can get less than 300, but there might be something wrong. So the quality sound, guys, like I said, it's outrageous. I mean, this Marantz here, it's a very nice looking piece, and it's Japan made. And this is my third right here in a row with my other Marantz, which I have this two big ones, bigger and wider Marantz. You can see the difference. This one here, guys, throws a lot of power, which I really like about this MR220. It's amazing. I mean, the power, guys, it pushes a lot of power, and it's just amazing. And it gives my what do you call this, audio speakers with a very good sound, and it really does sound the Marantz, as you can tell when you listen to a Marantz stereo receiver. Different brands, guys, have different quality of sound. Still, I would say still good, but Marantz has an amazing sound, really. I mean, if you are a stereo fanatic, if you are a stereo collector, you will know and you can tell the difference between Akai, Sansui, JVC, Pioneer, Techniques, other stereos out there. You can tell the difference between those stereos, and the difference between the Marantz and other brands. You can tell by just listening to it and the sound quality, guys. But still, there's a lot of stereos out there that it's a good stereos. It depends how much it is, and the more you pay, the better. So the SUPERSCOPE, guys, I tested out, and the sound quality, like I said, it's amazing. Let me turn this. Let me plug this Marantz SUPERSCOPE R1240 for you guys, so you guys can see. There it is, guys. It has this LED light, blue LED light, very nice looking, and the quality sound, guys, is just amazing. Yeah, so this is not a waste of money. This is a good investment for a vintage stereos, guys. These are hard to find nowadays, and it's not easy just to go out there and look for it. So very rare. A lot of people keep their Marantz, or a lot of people are buying Marantz because it's a very good stereos, especially when it's made in Japan. And over here, guys, I'm using my JVC. Yeah, I have this JVC speaker here from SK S22. Very nice sound. And over here too, so there's two JVC I'm using, and very nice sound. So those JVC, guys, that's connected to my SR 5100, and this MR 220 is connected to my amazing studio audio speakers, Spectrum. And this one here, guys, it's connected to that one up there. Yeah, and the other one over there on the right side. So very nice sound, guys. Let me find something for you.
Your best friends. He's
Hear the sound. So you guys can hear the sound. That's only an example. Very nice quality sound, very clear, amazing R1240 from SUPERSCOPE by Marantz. So these are my Marantz collections, and I have probably 3 more. I have the integrated amplifier Marantz and the modern one Marantz that I use for CD. I have this DVD CD player from Marantz. So yeah, so I guess I'm not sure. I mean, I think this is gonna be I think I need to stop buying Marantz. It's getting piled up, and it's getting you know, but there's so many Marantz out there, guys. You can see in eBay there's so many different models and different choices, but they are pricey. You know, they can start from 300 or more, 500 to 700, 8, 9 to 1,000, or more than 1,000. There's one for 1,500. I saw for 16,000. I don't know why they were pricing that Marantz for $16,000, but it's a very big, it's a huge receiver, and there's a lot of buttons, and you know, too many. It's crazy, guys. I mean, 16,000, but I don't think I'm gonna pay for that. I'm not that crazy to pay 16,000, not even 5,000, not even 2,000 for a stereo receiver, guys. So I'd rather have money in my pocket than buy expensive stereos, even, you know. But if I wanted to buy an expensive one, I can do that, you know. Even Macintosh, I just swipe my Gold American Express and buy that piece of stereo, you know. So it's just, I don't want to. Very nice here, guys. You can see the Marantz SUPERSCOPE, but I was just expecting the knobs are bigger, you know what I mean, like this one, like this, or this, but different style. So this knobs here, guys, it's kind of like the same with my Lafayette right there. So you can see the knobs, so it's kind of the same. Yeah, so you can see. So this one, this Lafayette right here, guys, you know, it's amazing. It has amazing sound. Japan made, very nice. It's mint condition, so you can see. Beautiful piece, guys, and my Pioneer tape deck. So guys, another amazing video, amazing receiver from R1240 from SUPERSCOPE by Marantz, and another collection here. So very nice piece, guys. I love the sound of this amazing SUPERSCOPE, guys. Really happy about this receivers, guys. All these Marantz, I love all these Marantz, guys. The best, #1. So guys, another video. Do thumbs up and hit the subscribers, and thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time. For now, say bye bye.